Hello, welcome to Top Gadget Review. Upgrade your garage access with smart and reliable opener systems, keypads and remotes. Enjoy easy entry, secure control, and convenient operation designed to make everyday life smoother and safer. Perfect for modern homes and hassle-free garage access. Number 1. Mic Smart Garage Door Video Keypad by Chamberlain. The Mic Smart Garage Door Video Keypad by Chamberlain is a smart and secure garage access solution featuring a wide-angle camera, advanced motion detection, and real-time smartphone alerts through the Mic app. Designed to work with Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and Craftsman garage door openers, this battery-powered keypad allows users to create customizable PIN codes for family, guests, or service providers. With two-way audio and optional AI-powered smart detection features through a Mic subscription, it offers convenient remote monitoring and enhanced garage security in a sleek white design. Number 2. Chamberlain 3/4 HP Belt Drive Mic Garage Door Opener. The Chamberlain 3/4 HP Belt Drive Mic Garage Door Opener B4310 by Chamberlain delivers powerful, ultra-quiet performance with a reinforced belt drive and durable 3/4 HP motor designed for frequent daily use. Featuring built-in Wi-Fi and Mic smartphone control, this smart garage opener lets users monitor and operate their garage from anywhere, while the integrated camera adds extra security and convenience. With battery backup for power outages and dual LED lighting support for full garage visibility, it's a reliable smart home upgrade ideal for garages near bedrooms or living spaces. Number 3. GIOATY Universal Garage Door Opener Keypad. The GIOATY Universal Garage Door Opener Keypad is a versatile wireless keyless entry system designed for LiftMaster, Chamberlain, Craftsman, and Wayne Dalton garage door openers, manufactured since 1993. Featuring large backlit glow-in-the-dark buttons, this universal keypad allows secure garage access using a personalized 4-digit PIN code without needing a remote or key. Easy wireless installation, one-touch closing, and a weather-resistant rain cover make it a convenient and reliable solution for modern garage security and everyday access. Number 4. Meross Smart Garage Door Opener Remote. The Meross Smart Garage Door Opener Remote MSG100HK by Meross transforms your existing garage door opener into a smart Wi-Fi controlled system without needing a hub or monthly subscription. Compatible with Apple HomeKit, Siri, CarPlay, Alexa, Google Assistant, SmartThings, and Android devices, it allows users to open or close their garage door remotely through the Meross app or simple voice commands. Easy to install and ideal for smart homes, this universal controller offers convenient hands-free access, remote monitoring, and seamless integration with popular smart home platforms. Number 5. LiftMaster 828LM Internet Gateway. The LiftMaster 828LM Internet Gateway by LiftMaster adds smart connectivity to compatible Security Plus 2.0 garage door openers and MicU-enabled devices using a reliable Ethernet connection. Designed for openers with a yellow Learn button and Mic logo, this compact gateway allows users to monitor and control their garage remotely through the Mic app while receiving instant activity alerts on their smartphone. It also supports Amazon Key for secure in-garage package delivery, making it a convenient upgrade for smarter and safer garage access management. Number 6. Chamberlain CIGCWC Smartphone Connectivity Kit. The Chamberlain CIGCWC Smartphone Connectivity Kit by Chamberlain upgrades compatible Chamberlain garage door openers with smart Mic technology, allowing users to open, close, and monitor their garage door directly from a smartphone. The kit includes an internet gateway and Mic multifunction wall control, supporting Chamberlain Security Plus openers manufactured from 1998 onward. With easy installation, wireless communication, and support for up to 16 MicU-enabled accessories, this connectivity kit delivers convenient remote access and enhanced garage control without monthly service fees. Number 7. Chamberlain Mic Smart Garage Hub MYQ G0301. The Chamberlain Mic Smart Garage Hub MYQ G0301 by Chamberlain adds smart Wi-Fi control to existing garage door openers, allowing users to open, close, and monitor their garage door from anywhere using the Mic smartphone app. Compatible with most major garage door opener brands made after 1993, This easy-to-install hub connects through 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and supports convenient features like guest access for family members and smart home integration with Google Assistant and IFT. Its wireless setup and remote control capabilities make it an affordable and practical upgrade for smarter home garage management. Subscribe now.